Okay. Dang it. No, I want to pause this because I want to take care of other things. But, ooh, Biscoff. This stuff, I've got a little package of this Biscoff. Dip it in coffee, and it stays crunchy. It's so good. Oh, damn. Okay, she's going. Okay, what am I doing? So, what I want to do is, so what I'm gonna do is, shrink this down a little bit. Alright, so this is not working. Hang on, let me do this. Alright, so see this right here? Colors. This are the different color palettes that I've been using for playing around with theming for the Regolith. And this is messed up because this is really shouldn't be here and here, which is messed up. Why is that? Why am I? This is what I should be doing, not this. Oh my Lord. Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. Okay, well, I'm not going to worry about it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it later. You know what? I know what I'm going to do. The first thing I'm going to do is wait. Chuta. There we go. Turn that down a bit. Okay, what I want to do is not super automate like Pywall does for all sorts of things, but simplify a set of themes to go back and forth. And it's good practice for me. So I'm going to go ahead and kill this because I don't really need it. And I'm gonna work on this. So first thing I'm gonna do is there. So I'm gonna copy Regolith styles star custom color. I'm gonna move all of these over. I'm not moving them. I'm gonna copy because I want to keep the originals there. Just who knows. And let me check something here because I didn't check. So there we go. That should work. All right. Man, I cannot spell. Wait a minute. Huh, that's it, okay. Well, oh, you know why? Because the locate. Oh, how do you update DB, isn't it? Our own password. Frack me. Oh, it's working? I can never tell. I should have put verbose, but it looks like it's working, so just hang tight. Oh, great, now you know my MAC address. Who cares? Okay, let's see now. There we go. So back custom color palette 2 arena. This one is what I'm using now. Palette 2 I think was used for I really need to change that because that's for previous. That's for my really green one. I'm not sure I want to keep that. I'll mess with it. Alright, so you got that. Now what I'm going to do is, let's see. Oops. What did I do that for? This one. There we go. So you can see it's funny because this is set up like it's a Vim thinks that's a comment, but these are the comments. So it's okay. Is it syntax off? Do I just do this? Nope. Oh no, it's no syntax, right? Frack me. How many? It's not like this? Well, it's syntax off. Oh, there we go. I think I know this. There, I just turn it off to make it easier. Alright, so what I want to do, it's styles color, and I can use this as my reference, but I think I'm gonna how do I want to do it? Alright, so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put, okay, this will say theme, and then we're going to go end theme. Themes and themes. Does that work? Or no, I'll do colors. Colors and colors. And the reason I want to do it that way, that looks, so we'll try that. And colors, because I could change this too, which I don't know how to mess with that. And of course, this thing, which is itself, which is funny because I'm inside it. Whatever. If I could just understand how these things work effectively, I don't know. Oh, I need to look at that. I'm not going to worry about that. Look at it later. Right, so, color palettes. I'll call them palettes. Did I spell palette right? I don't think so. I don't think that's spelled right. Pretty sure I'm spelling that wrong. I don't know. Okay, so now we have that. Let's go ahead. File to edit. I'm going to hard code this. I'll just put file. I don't know. Screw it. File equals. I don't even know what this is. What do I call it? There it is, right here. Pop. Done. right. Open my file. This is an input token. It says we're getting no output. The file is not being written to, it's being read from. File. Oh my gosh, look at this. I don't want to repeat myself. What is wrong with me? There we go. File or die. I'm not gonna want to die. Can't open file. Reason I can't open file. Oops. There we go. And that was silly of me. All right, so now we have that. I'm so sorry I'm yawning. I really need to get to bed. I'll finish this tomorrow maybe. No, where are we? Here, we got our file. Then, I guess since it's small, if I can just read the whole darn thing until file and special syntax for reading files line by line. All right, so I'm gonna do a real simple thing with flags. So my start flag equals 0. My end flag equals 0. So when it starts, it'll be 1, and then when this starts, when it ends, it'll turn that to 1, and then when yeah. Gosh, I'm tired. I really oughtn't be doing this, but my brain's wanting to go for it, so I'm going to try. Am I recording properly? I hope so. Yeah, it's recording good. Yes, it's recording. All right, where are we? Of course, it's right here. It's recording. It shows there. Okay. What am I doing now? So we got the first line. Right. Right. Yeah, start flag equals 1 if what is it? If do I need a can I just do this, or do I need this? I can't remember. Oh, we'll find out. I'll just try that. If colors. No, I'm going to change it to start colors because there we go. Okay. Colors. And flag equals 1 if I wonder. And colors. Real simple. Okay. Right. Actually, you know what? I don't need to do that. Just last. I mean, all I'm doing is this. Admittedly, I changed it for more comprehensive theme changes, but not worry about that now. Okay. Next. unless start flag. All right, so now we've done the checks. If we haven't started the section we're looking for, then we keep going. Next loop, iteration. Last, meaning the loop's done if we hit end color. That's it. That's all we have to do. All right. Yeah. My gosh, I'm yawning like mad. I need to not be doing this. Okay, so you know what I forgot? I forgot to ask, what are we doing for entry? Got this part. So I think what we're gonna do is are we gonna take stdin or args? Argb. Argb is an argb. Let me check something out. If I can just remember how to do this. Oh, for frack's sake. I'm pretty sure it's argb. I'll find out soon enough. I'll test it. Alright. My theme equals zero. Print theme. Actually, I need to say, darn it. Theme and die. Close enough. Huh. Right. I think I already did that though. Oh well. Huh. Aha. Aha, aha, aha. Well, that's not doing me any good. You know what we can do? Because maybe it's not expanding. It probably doesn't expand the way I remember it's supposed to. That's okay. Let's do it the long-fashioned way. Just to make sure, because sometimes... There we go. Use of initialize value theme. Oh. Bob. Bob, it worked. There we are. Look at there. There's a little Bob right there. Yay, I got it right. It's a miracle. Right. Oh, ow, that hurt my head. My eyes. Jesus, Mary Joseph. All right, my theme equals argb 0. Yes. All right, now I'm going to have I'm going to do this in program. I'm not going to do it separately because I want to simplify. So we're going to my themes. Do I want to do that, or do I want to do themes? No. Themes equals collect themes. And collect themes could be collecting them from a config file. which I think I'll end up doing in the future or what have you. So we're gonna sub, for crying out loud, stuff it. Collect themes. We're not going to worry about. Okay, so we're going to my hash of themes. We're just going to do straight up. We're going to hard code it here for now. All right. So let's see. Theme 1. We'll call it this one, Sunset. Sunset. That's a nice theme. I'm going to call it. Oh, wait. Yeah. This one right here. Isn't that nice? Whoop, no. Oh, no. Oh, dear. Oh, my gosh. You know, I realized something. I don't know how to surround for like to take this right here and surround it with quotes. I don't know if I need I don't know if I need a plugin or if there's a native way of doing it. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put on music. I like my music, so shoot. I'm not gonna worry about it. Right. Let's see. Sunset, custom color. Green. This one. Not fond of the name. At least I want to have it there because the idea is I need to be able to test this because I've got to change all this. All right. Now what I could do is just replace the whole thing and add one to the end. I don't know. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to I have a thought. That's enough for now. Alright, so collect themes. So we're going to return the hash. There, the hash goes back. And right here, this gets the hash. That's going to be the hash. So my themes now. Say theme die, we're going to take this out. Die, okay. Die, no such theme as theme. Oops. I don't know if I have to, I think I, or does die do that? I think die does that, okay. Unless exists, yeah, you have to do this for hashes, I think, if I remember right. Themes. Cannot type theme. I don't like that themes theme. That bothers me. It works, but still bothers me. The same word almost can use all the time. Okay, so now we've done a check. Does the theme exist? Yes. All right. I'll leave that out of the way. Oh wait, forgot. I need this. No, I don't. Wait, this needs to be in a separate. Oh, this needs to be in a separate routine. Hang on. Okay, so I'm gonna come back down here later. I'm doing this different. Okay, so all right, my theme. Put those together. I'm putting all this together. Don't need that. Yeah, keep that. Because we're just editing that one file, right? Okay, next is my lines. My file, or my theme file, I'll call it that maybe, I don't know. What am I going to call it? Config. I'll call it config. I didn't know. Yeah, whatever. Frack it. Equals parse the dang thing. Oh, wait a minute. There's a faster way. I know there's a better way to do it than what I'm doing. I know there's a better way to do it than this. I just don't know what it is. Oh, and this, by the way, this is gonna be using config instead. So my config, that, alright. I'm gonna change this. I'm not gonna do this. And this is lovely and all, but I'm not doing this anymore. I'm changing this completely. So I'm gonna leave this here because it's useful to think about in the future. I am tuckered out. I am so tuckered out. Let's go back up here. Okay, my config. Is that one? I know there's a better way to do it than this. I think there's a way to make it go all the way in here. Like, I think you just do my config and then just throw this whole thing in there. I think my config equals. I think I can do that. Frack if I know. Oh God, I don't know. You know, I'm gonna try that out. Hang on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test this. Print dumper config die, just to make sure I don't do anything else. Lord knows I have no this is gonna work. Oh wait, oh, there we go. Well, look at that. Hot damn. Isn't that prettified? It worked fine. You know what? That's pretty nice. I'm gonna do something here. I'll leave that up there. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Q. So it. Oh, frack me. Okay. I'm having fun. I have no idea what I'm doing, because that's okay, because now I know this works. So my config is all in. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot. I have no idea that's going to work. Because, I'll find out. Because I don't do things this way, so I'm going to find out. What's it going to do? What is this going to do? Say, dumper. Config, I like doing that. Okay, let's see what happens. Should have left that there without, oh well. It worked. It chomped off that end. Good. Alrighty. Nice. I'm leaving this here because you never know. Okay. Actually, I'm leaving this here the whole time because I want to look at the changes. Okay, so now we're good. Collect themes, die, no such new theme, yada yada yada. My config is in. Yay, chomp config. Good. Now all the extra carriage returns at the end are gone. Next, what we're going to do is all right, xi replace. Actually, I'm going to do this. Config equals change colors config. Alright, so now we have to make change colors. Change colors gets a reference to config and returns an array. Alright, so we're going to go down here. And of course we have this so we can look and see what happens. So let's make change colors. Sub change colors. Alrighty, let's see now. Well, my let's call it config, like CFG sounds good. Equals, I'm going to say pop because it's shorter than shift and it's just the one element of the array that we're dealing with. If you're not familiar with this, Perl traditionally handles it argument sent to a subroutine through an array. The default array is oh, what did I just do? Okay, scare myself to death. All right, hang on. So the default array is this array symbol or @ symbol, which looks like an A for array, and underscore. That contains the arguments. Well, even if you don't say it, even if you don't say the array name, pop assumes you're using it. When you don't say any name, pop will use that array, that default array. So you're popping the one argument off of the back end of the array, which is the configuration file in an array. So an array, which is really an array reference here. All right, now. So this time, I think we are going to use this. Oh wait, I did something wrong. I did something very, very wrong. Do you know what I forgot? How are you supposed to change colors if you don't have your theme? Config, comma, theme, theme. Alright, no parentheses needed usually, but sometimes it gets a little hairy for weird ways, so I'm not going to worry about it. It should work fine. Themes, theme. Okay, so the theme that we checked earlier, that exists by this time, goes into change colors too. So what are we going to do about change colors? Well, I think I'm going to change it. Instead of pop and shift and all, I'm going to do this. Whatever. Theme. So the reason I need to change this, I don't have a tab. It needs to be tabs instead of spaces because I don't know how to use spaces right in this. Sorry, whatever. Configuration, theme. This is an array reference. This is just whatever the heck there is. I think it's the, what is it? This one or this one, whatever. Yeah. Ooh, I can do this with my doohickey. Too bad. That's fine. All right. Oh, what? Oh, wow. Wow, that is not what I want to do. Right. I have to do this because I messed up. What are we doing? Configuration and theme. Right. You know, I'm gonna stop soon because I don't know. So we want to, because I'm tired, I want to go to bed. We want to grab a part of CFG that deals with colors. Change the comment element, which is this, and or add a new color file to the config set. So here's what I'm thinking. These will be placed, or actually these will be placed in a separate array. Maybe. Yeah, I think that makes sense. I will probably decorate them with an index number that's a line number, and I'll include a line number in the array. Like a short scene transform kind of thing. And hang on to that so that when I reassemble the file, it'll be reassembled in order. Then what I'm going to do is I will check, is the theme in here anywhere? In fact, I could check that ahead of time. I could just make one huge line from all the colors parts, or all the whole darn thing if I wanted to, and find it. And if I found it, I'll just look for it. If I find it, I can remove the exclamation mark. But before then, I would probably put an exclamation mark in everything. So what I'm going to do is, okay, so select color theme lines, add comment mark, which is an exclamation point here. Then we're going to search for matching, remove mark from matching, or create matching entry, reintegrate, set with remainder of file. How would we do that? Because you're going to add a line number. So to reintegrate, one way to do it, I think, would be to why select? Why separate out? No need to reintegrate. It's already there. Stop it. We're going to select the color theme lines, but we're not going to remove them and put them in a separate array. I like the idea of doing that, but if I did that, it would be a pain in the butt to integrate them, I think. Actually, there's a way to do it, but I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm just going to select the theme lines Add comment, search for matching, move mark from matching, or create matching entry. Make sure to add the line numbers and add just. I don't need the line numbers. I don't need line numbers. I don't need line numbers. I don't need to add line numbers. No swatching anything. Because I'm not separating. I've decided I'm not going to separate those colors. I'm just going to keep them in the array. That's it. It's already in order. It's fine. You just check. If it's not there, you add in between the lines. You just, mark the index where they exist. There you go. That's it. And I'm done. I'm freaking tired. God bless it. I'm gonna turn on salsa. I actually gotta get myself something to drink or eat something. I don't know. Fuck dang. I'm done. I'll do a separate video to finish this damn thing. Right? God bless it. What the frack is this? Oh, wait.
Looking at nothing. That's the whole point. The cancer was gone, and it was gone within a matter of hours. You're speaking from a cure for the president's cancer when it's untried.
Alright, hang on. I'm going to make things quiet for the rest of the, quiet for sound reduction. Yeah, noise reduction. Good night.